everyone. Today we're going to talk about the JRX Pro SE. Today we're going to talk about the JRX Pro SE two-wheel drive 10th scale buggy from Team Losi from the early 90s. So we'll look at the one that is put together, and then we'll open this box up here. There's a new one in the box that's not been assembled yet. This is an early one. The slimline chassis plate was a game changer. They went away from the carbon fiber plates on these cars, which the JRX Pro had. This is an early one. It doesn't have the servo saver cut out, and it has the 6-gear transmission, the LRM. It does have hydro drive, and it does have the white sliders on this one. The car's new. She's never been ran. Pretty much stock outside the hydro drive and the sliders on this one. So we'll go ahead, we'll open the box up, see what's inside here. Came with the X pattern and staggered rib tires. Just pull out of this bag. I put them inside Ziploc bags to help preserve them. Content goes on here. Start kind of going through the suspension parts here. Kind of quick overview of all the stuff. Some of the stuff really backed up. Shock bag. See, it came with their green racing springs and red racing springs. Their shock oil that smelled really bad too. Many people remember that. Very foul odor. Suspension, rear suspension. You see all the foam is deteriorated, the foam pads in this one. This car kit's close to 30 years old now, I would say. Been around a while. I've had it about 25 years. Transmission bag. It comes with a 6-gear transmission with the red slipper gear, which is a 86 tooth. Let's see what we got here. I think we got bag A. I'm doing this backwards. Kind of help document this stuff for further as we go in the future. There's going to be fewer and fewer of these kits around, so kind of document what they look like and give you guys an overview of them. So here is the front suspension bag. Bag D. So, chassis plate. It's all wrapped up. So on this, you can see this is an early version of it. It doesn't have the cutout for the retrofit. Doesn't have the cutout here for the servo saver. If you look back at my LXT video, you can see that that chassis plate was newer. It has the cutouts for that stuff. Other than that, chassis plate is the same. So we got bag G here. Get a pile of stuff here. Front top brace. Then we have your instruction manual, which the instruction manual for this was a JRX Pro manual. They just modified some of the pages for the chassis plate and the front kick up. It's a little bit different. See the original sticker sheet. You can see the JRX Pro with the graphite chassis plate. So this is the manual they sent with these cars. They didn't produce these cars very long because shortly after they started producing them, you can see the SE. Oh, we got it held up here so you guys can see it. It's just kind of thrown in the middle there. They started producing the XX. Let's see more of the SE manual here. The XX buggy shortly after this, and it came out late '93, early '94. So there was, I wouldn't say very few of these produced, but there wasn't an overabundance of them produced. You still see them pop up every once in a while on eBay. The last one I've seen sell on eBay sold for I think it was around 1,200 bucks. So they used to cost about $150 back in the day. So as times went on, the price of them just keeps going up and up and up. And you know, as time goes on, they become more and more sought after, and more valuable, because there becomes less and less of them in this type of form. So, but yeah, so hopefully you like and subscribe and like what we're doing here, and hopefully we'll see you on some other videos. Have a good day. Thanks for tuning in.